Look at that. See that jiggle right there? Whoosh. Today, I'm taking on the challenge of baking the most amazing chocolate bundt cake that everyone's been raving about. Let's see if I can make it as good as they say. I am super excited to share this recipe with you all. Honestly, it's become a favorite at home and with my family and friends. There's just something about a rich, moist chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. And today I'm going to show you how to make it. We're also going to take a quick look at the bundt pan's surprising history and how a European classic called Kugelhopf inspired it all. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Baking cakes is tricky, right? Sometimes they come out dry or they're just not packing that oomph of flavor. That's why I love sharing recipes that actually work. This chocolatey bundt cake is a game changer. It's deeply chocolatey, super moist, and best of all, it's really easy to make. One of the biggest challenges in baking is nailing the texture. You want it moist, but not soggy. Chocolate cakes can turn out dense or dry, but this recipe gets it just right. And then there's flavor. Ever had a chocolate cake that just didn't taste like chocolate? Gross. This one has depth, richness, and just the right amount of sweetness. And now let's take a quick look at bundt pan history. The bundt pan was created in the 1950s by Nordic Ware, modeled after the Kugelhopf, a European yeasted cake baked in sculpted ceramic molds. But it wasn't until the 1966 Pillsbury Bake Off, when a bundt cake called Tunnel of Fudge won second place, that these pans flew off the shelves. Today we're making a modern take. No yeast, no funnel, just rich chocolatey goodness. Step 1. Prep. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease your bundt pan, seriously, every nook and cranny. I use butter and just a dusting of flour, like this. To make this amazing bundt cake, you're going to need some basics. Step 2. Dry ingredients. For dry ingredients, let's take 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup unsweetened Dutch processed cocoa powder, 2 cups sugar, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Now, I'm going to whisk it together. Easy peasy. Step 3. Wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, let's do 2 large eggs, 1 cup buttermilk, 1 cup strong brewed coffee, half a cup canola oil, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now, I'm going to whisk it together. Here's a quick baking tip. Use the best cocoa you can get. This is a chocolate cake after all. And that coffee, you won't actually taste the coffee. It just deepens the flavor. Step 4. Add the dry ingredients to the wet and whisk until combined. Now this batter, it's going to look very thin, but that's normal. That's what gives it that moist texture. Step 5. Pour it into our prepared bundt pan. Let's put it in there. And bake for 45 to 50 minutes. All right, we're out of the oven. A toothpick should come out clean. And you know you're golden. Look at this. Whoosh. I've never tried to hold a cake sideways before, but saved it. It's still okay. When I took it out, kitchen smells amazing. Well, the kitchen's been smelling amazing this whole time it's been baking. Perfectly domed, moist, and so chocolatey. All right, we're gonna let this cool and let's make that cream cheese glaze. Step 6, the cream cheese glaze. Let's start with the ingredients. 4 ounces cream cheese, room temperature. I'm gonna whip this up. 1 1/3 cups powdered sugar. Pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon half and half or whole milk. And half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Just beat everything together until it's smooth and pourable. Then drizzle it over your cooled cake. That glaze sets up beautifully and adds a creamy tang that balances that chocolate perfectly. Look at this. It's too much drizzle right there. Slice time. How much that is. There he goes. Look at that. You see that moistness? See that jiggle right there? That's moist. All right, here we go. It's so moist right now. Okay, so it's chocolatey. The glaze adds just the right amount of tang to this. The coffee, buttermilk, the chocolate, the really good chocolate. So what makes this chocolate bundt cake so special? Let's break it down. It's the combination of great ingredients and the simple, solid technique. For the buttermilk to the cocoa and the coffee, everything plays a role, giving this cake its wow factor. If you're looking for a cake that impresses, say you got it for a dinner party, for a birthday, or just a random Tuesday, this is the one. Thanks for baking with me today. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments and tell me how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch one of my other videos for more delicious bakes. That's it for me. I'm just gonna take one more bite here. I'll see you next time. Is that you? You still there? Video's over. Go on, get out of here.